So, as I already said, that at this age a person is beyond childhood but not yet mature enough to be called an adult. So, this is a state of transition period for a child. A child is likely to feel quite vulnerable and quite insecure if he does not have a weak self, have a strong self control, or a strong family environment. Teenagers who cannot learn and distinguish acceptable behavior from unacceptable behavior are the ones who will be dragged into this so called naughty behavior, which, if taken to an extreme, can definitely have legal implications. Now, there is also the identity crisis. Biological and sociological changes in adolescence allow for these two forms of integration. First, there is a formation of sense of consistency in his life. Secondly, there is this achievement of role identity, which is a step ahead of the gender identity that has been assigned to him biologically. So, juvenile delinquency occurs primarily because of the inner factor of the teenager, where a teenager is a teenager is in a period of transition. So there is, he's or she may be unable to control his emotions. He's full of curiosity. There is a brawl between the emotions happening. Sometimes they are triggered or provoked by some sort of situations which he or she does not have control over. So uh, many a times teenagers start saying that I'm so stupid, no one likes me. These kind of things may lead them into depression or anxiety. Now, without emotional control, it is very difficult to come out of these kind of automatic negative thoughts. So one way is to engage in healthy self-talk. So how they can do it? There is simple activity. They can take a sheet of paper, make two columns in it, and write on one side of it, write this, and on the other side write not that. So this is basically all the negative things they say to themselves, like I'm so stupid, I'm no worth, and the translations into positive self-talk. How they can say that, oops, I made a mistake, instead of saying I'm so stupid, and saying I like me, I like myself, instead of saying no one likes me, saying that I did something bad instead of saying that I'm a bad person. So this is one step in the direction of feeling good and positive about yourself, which can make a child more strong inside. Thank you.